channel. I am Ashanna, Director of Sadhana Study Circle. I have been teaching mathematics last 26 years. In this video, I would like to teach you more about real numbers. In this video, we are going to learn rational numbers and their decimal expansion. Theorem 1.3 and 1.4. First, theorem 1.3. Let x be a rational number whose decimal expansion terminates, then can be expressed in the form of p by q, where p and q are co-primes and the prime factorization of q is of the form 2 power n 5 power m, where n m are non-negative integers. Let us see these examples. 0.375, 1.04, 0.0875. Zero point 375. (0.375) is equal to 375 by, in this this is the whole number part, whole part of this is the decimal part. In this we have three decimal places. Decimal part have three places, so that's why we have to write 10 cube or 1000. 10 cube. There are three decimal places, we have to write 3. That is equal to 375. We have to write as primes, factors of factorization of primes, 375. Three ones are 3. It is divisible by 3. Why? Because 3 plus 7, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. 15 is exactly divisible by 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 fives are 15. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 5, 8. Not divisible by 3. That's why next try with the 5. Last digit is 5, so it is exact divisible by 5. 5 twos are 10. 2 remainder to 5, 5 are 25. Next again 5 5s are 25. So 3 into 5 cube by, we can write this 10 cube like this. 2 5s are whole to the power of 3, that is equal to 2 cube 5 cube. 2 cube 5 cube. We know AB whole to the power of m is equal to a power m into b power m. Here 5 cube gets cancelled, so 3 by 2 cube. So this is in the form of 2 power n. 3 by 2 cube. It is in the form p by q. The denominator is 2 power n form. Next example 2. 1.04 is equal to 104 by 10. Here we have 2 decimal places. Here 3 decimal places. Here 2 decimal places. So 10 square 104. 2 table, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2 3s. So 2 cube into 13 by 10 square, 10 square, 2 5s are all to the power of square, 2 square into 5 square, 2 square into 5 square. So here 2 square, here 3, we have 3, so 2 cut, 1 balance. So that's why 2 into 13 by 5 square, that is equal to 13 2s are 26 by 5 square. So it is in the form P by Q. It is in the form of P by Q, and the denominator has in the form 5 to the power of m. Example 3, 0.0875. 0.0875. It has 4 decimal places. That's why 875, 4 decimal places, 875 by 10 to the power of 4. 875. We have to factorize this as prime factorize. 8 plus 7, try with 3 first. 8 plus 7, 15, 15 plus 5, 20, not divisible by 3. Next, it is exactly divisible by 5. 5 1s are 5, 3, 5 7s are 35, 5 5s are 25. 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25, 5 7s are 35. So 5 cube into 7, 10 to the power of 4. 10 to the power of 4 is equal to 2 5s are, we have to write this 10 as 2 5s are all to the power of 4. That is equal to 2 to the power of 4 into 5 to the power of 4. 2 to the power of 4 into 5 to the power of 4. So here we have 3. Here we have to cut 3, but 1 remainder. That is equal to 7 by 2 to the power of 4 into 5 to the power of 1. So this is in the form of P by Q. It is in the form of P by Q, where denominator is in the form 2 power n, 5 power m. That's why we can say, let x be a rational number whose decimal expansion terminates. Then can be expressed in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are co-primes, and the prime factorization of Q means denominator, is of the form 2 power n, 5 power m, where nm are non-negative integers. Next, theorem 1.4. Let x is equal to P by Q be a rational number such that the prime factorization of Q is of the form 2 power n, 5 power m, where n and m are non-negative integers. Then x has a decimal expansion which terminates. We have to see these examples. First one 25 by 2, second 26 by 25, third 3 by 8. First one 25 by 2. We have to multiply this with 5. We have to multiply the numerator and denominator and numerator with the same number. So that's why numerator also multiply with 5. 25 5 is 125. So 125 by 10. 125 means so 125. Okay. Here 10. So we have to keep 1 decimal place. 1 1. Right to left we have to calculate. Count 12.5. So this is as a decimal as a decimal expansion which terminates. This is a terminates. Second one 26 by 25. by 25. 25 we can write 5 square. So that's why we have to multiply 2 square. 2 square. 2 2s are 4. 26 4s are 4 6 are 24. 4 to the 8 10 104 104. This is 10 to the power of 2. So here we have 10 square. So we have to count in numerator 2, right to left to 2 places. 1.04. Next third example 3 by 8. Two cube, 2 3s, 2 4s, 2 2s, 2 cube. That's why we have to multiply 5 cube. 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125, 125 3s, 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6, 7, 3 1s are 3, 375 by 10 cube. No need of keeping this 10 cube. Okay. We have to calculate count 3 places 1 2 3 from right to left. So answer is 0.2375. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to get my latest updates.
My actions are unbeautiful. It's